Welcome to all of the students. Today we will discuss about the lesson On the Face of It, written by Susan Hill. It's a play. Introduction of the lesson. An old man, Mr. Lamb. It means in this lesson, one of the characters is Mr. Lamb, who is an old man. And second is a small boy named Day. He is suffering from a complex. He has been suffering from a complex. Face burnt. The reason is one side of his face has been burnt. He is withdrawn and defiant. Withdrawn, जो दूसरों से दूर चला जाए, दूसरों से मिलना नहीं चाहे. And charitable looks. And charitable looks. And charitable looks. It means when people see him, they show and charitable looks. मतलब उसको देखकर बुरी शक्ल बनाते हैं, सुर्ख बनाते हैं. They remarks on him. उसके ऊपर टिप्पणी करते हैं, कमेंट करते हैं. They didn't like him. Mr. Lamb. Where is Mr. Lamb? Who has a thin leg, has positive attitude towards life. दूसरी तरफ मिस्टर लैंग है जिसकी टीम की बारी में लैग है. It means he is also disabled, but the difference is that he has positive attitude. Positive attitude. One of the things to be happy. One of the point to become happy. Positive attitude. Yes, full of hope. It means positive attitude. People who have positive attitude remain happy and satisfied. Opposite it, Jerry has negative attitude, wants to go far away from the reality of life. Mr. Lamb shows the right way to Jerry of judging man, कि वो लोगों को कैसे पहचाने, मैटर्स को कैसे पहचाने और लाइफ को किस प्रकार पहचाने. ये सब कुछ when there is a meeting between Mr. Lamb and Ray, then Mr. Lamb tries to cure him. उसे सुधारने का प्रयत्न करता है. Tries to motivate him, उसे मोटिवेट करने का प्रयत्न करता है. Here introduction. Now we will discuss about the detailed summary from the play On the Face of It. Enters Lamb's garden. Enter Lamb's garden, it means Jay, who wants to avoid people, who doesn't want to face people. One day, vendors in the streets and enters Lamb's garden. Mr. Lamb's garden. Thinking that there would be no one. ये सोचते हुए वहाँ पर कोई नहीं होगा. And he would be able to get peace and satisfaction there. कि वहाँ पर उसे शांति मिलेगी, satisfaction मिलेगा, क्योंकि वो लोगों को फेस ही नहीं करना चाहता था. He hated people and people also hated him. Reason, Jerry's face burnt. कि जेरी का जो चेहरा था वो has been burnt and so he wants to avoid from the people. लोगों से बचना चाहता था. When he enters Lamb's garden, then Mr. Lambs calls him, speaks him. He wants to run away from there. वहां से वो भाग जाना चाहता है डेरी, but Mr. Lamb stops him. Mr. Lamb उसे रोकता है and starts talking with him. उसके साथ बातचीत करना स्टार्ट कर देता है. He tries to motivate him. He says that his gate is open. His garden gate is open to all. And he could enter from the gate. उसने कहा कि उसका जो गार्डन का गेट है वो सभी के लिए खुला है. Even the children, बच्चों के लिए भी. Anyone can come. कोई भी आ सकता है. But Dreary doesn't want to listen. He wants to go from there. वहां से भाग जाना चाहता है. But Mr. Lambs forces him to listen in, and he listens what Mr. Lambs says. Dreary's face burnt. Now there is a conversation between Jay and Mr. Lamb. Jay told about himself. Jay tells that his face had been burned due to acid. One side of his face had been burned due to acid, and people hated him, and he also hated people. No one loves him, so he feels alienation, अलगाव होता है. But Lamb, who has a positive attitude, changes the matter, talks about his garden, crab apples, type of apple होती है. But Dreary wants to come to the point about himself, talks about himself. Then Lamb, who has a thin leg, tells about himself. Lamb tells that he is also disabled. He has a thin leg, and children called him Lammy Lamb. बच्चे से लेमी लैम कहते हैं, मतलब नंगा कहते हैं. But he doesn't mind it. He loves to children, thinks positive and be happy. And he also motivates Jerry's to be positive and to face the people and to face the world. Jerry suffers from a complex. कुंठा से पीड़ित है. ड्रेरी वो कुंठा किस काम से आए? ड्यू टू द हेटेड ऑफ द पीपल. लोगों की घृणा के कारण, घृणा की फीलिंग के कारण. बिकॉज पीपल wanted to avoid him, उससे बचना चाहते थे. Comments on him. So uncharitable looks, उसको देखकर मुंह बनाते थे. इसलिए उसमें कुंठा आ गई. He feels himself inferior. वो अपने आप को हीन महसूस करता है, हीन समझता है. Dreary suffers from a complex, and then he tells Mr. Lamb that he has a burnt face, and people called him a giant, monstrous, एक राक्षस कहते हैं. And no one can love him. Even his mother would kiss on the other side of the cheek. वो कहता है कि उसकी माता भी जो जला हुआ हिस्सा नहीं है उसको किस करेगी, वो भी उससे घृणा करती है, मतलब वो भी उसके जले हुए हिस्से उसको भी बुरा लगता है। बट रेरी motivates him and advises him to face the world. Dreary indulges in self-pity. Self-pity अपने आप के ऊपर दया दिखाता है, अपने आप से बुरा महसूस करता है ड्रेरी। He thinks about the world, about the people, feels inferior and doesn't want to face the world, want to live lonely, and he had let the hope from the people to live happily. Then Mr. Lamb shows the way. Mr. Lamb shows the way. He motivates him to face the world. उसको मोटिवेट करता है, रास्ता दिखाता है, how to face the world, how to think, and tells about himself, अपने बारे में बताता है. He doesn't mind bad when people call him Lemile, and he shows respect towards others and be happy most of the time. He remains in his garden, thinks positively, and for motivating him, he tells him a story about a person who doesn't want to face the world, who closed himself in a room. He thought that outside he would not be able to become alive, जीवित नहीं रह पाएगा. But one day, some heavy thing fell from the upper side and fell off on his head and he died. कि एक व्यक्ति जिसने अपने आप को कमरे में बंद कर लिया, संसार का सामना नहीं करना चाहता था, वो सोचा कि अंदर सुरक्षित है, लेकिन उसके ऊपर हैवी चीज गिर गई और उसकी डेथ हो गई. इट मीन्स दरवाजा क्लोज करने से, अंदर रहने से कोई अपने आप को नहीं बचा सकता. इट मीन्स फॉर्चून फेवर्स द ब्रेव. भाग्य भी बहादुरों का साथ देता है, इसलिए वो उसको मोटिवेट करता है टू फेस द वर्ल्ड, टू फेस द पीपल, टू फेस द डिफिकल्टीज, टू फेस द ट्रबल्स. At last, Mr. Lamb's attitude changed. आखिरकार with the help of Mr. Lamb, Dreary's attitude changed. Dreary का attitude change हो गया. He thought about Mr. Lamb and he thought that it seemed that he was actually worried about him and wanted to come back him on the right track. सही रास्ते पर लाना चाहता था. And he was like him, वो भी disabled था, वो उसी की तरह से था. Dreary thought that he was not making fun of him, वो उसका मजाक नहीं उड़ा रहा था. He was not pretending to show that he was good for him, कि वो दिखावा नहीं कर रहा था, वो उसके लिए अच्छा था. It means Mr. Lamb was able to convince Dreary that actually he was good for Dreary, कि वो Dreary के लिए अच्छा था. And at last Dreary agrees to face the world, and as Mr. Lamb says, but he says that he would go to her mother. Dreary कहता है कि वो अपनी मदर के पास जाएगा, but definitely he would return back. वो वापिस आएगा. इस पर मिस्टर लैंग कहता है कि people say, लोग कहते हैं, but doesn't come, but don't come, आते नहीं हैं. But Dreary promised that he would come. Dreary वायदा करता है वो आएगा. He goes to her mother, tells about Mr. Lamb, the good qualities of Mr. Lamb. His mother, Dreary's mother, is worried about Dreary. did she doesn't want that he should go to Mr. Lam, but Dreary assures her mother that actually Mr. Lam is actually a good person, and in the company of Mr. Lam he might be happy. So he returns after meeting her mother, but when he comes back, जब वो वापिस आता है, then he hears the sound of the falling ladder. जो सीढ़ी होती है उसकी गिरने की आवाज सुनता है. Mr. Lam cries, Mr. Lam चिल्लाता है. Dreary enters, Dreary प्रवेश करता है. He sees the ladder falling, ladder को गिरा हुआ देखता है. And then Dreary cries, he has come, कि वो आ चुका है. But up to that time Mr. Lam had died. Mr. Lam मर चुका था. But before it he had motivated Dreary to come on the right track. This is the detailed summary from the lesson. On the face of it, you are advised to study the detailed summary, questions, answers, word meanings, the complete lesson from your books. Thank you. Have a nice day.